Amwe ya aciari aria ciana ciao ithomagira cukuru wa airetu wa Buruburu kaunti-ini ya Nairobi marekinyire cukuru-ini uyu na andu mamaigua mutino uria urahanikire muthenya wa kiumia mathaa-ini ma hwaini. Riu cukuru uyu ni uhingitwo kwa ihinda ritoikaine kurumirira mutino ucio wa mwaki.
But as for now, we've been told to go at home because we cannot be allowed to go with the few students and the rest remain behind for the security purposes. And these being girls, those who remain, it will be trauma to them. So we have agreed we go home, then we'll be given full report after they have done all the analysis even from the hospital.
Arutwo 66 nio maragurarire mutino-ini ucio makigeria gwithara na gutengerio thibitari wa Metropolitan kuria amwe mathiite na mbere kwamukira urigiti na angi kurekererio. Aingi aria marekereirio ni aria marahotetwo ni ndogo.
We received 66 students from Buruburu Girls following a fire incident. We have since attended to all of them. Out of that number, 12 have been admitted, with none with life-threatening injuries. The rest have been handed over to the school administration.
Aciari amwe magikinya cukuru angi nao marambite kambi thibitari-ini niguo kumenya uria ciana ciao ihana.
I'm a parent here, but I don't like what I'm seeing there at the gate. So we are asking parents to be cooperative with the management ya shule. Wasikize shule itawaeleza nini.
Wangu wako hospitali ameumia mguu, ameruka na anasema kuna injuries na hatujamuona.
Kuratuika mutino ucio uratuthukiire nyumba cia gukomwo na gutire gikuo kionekete guku uthuthuria wa kihumo kia mwaki ucio kiambiriria guthuthurio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.
Umueleze.